Paul's inspired letter to the Romans containing God's good news for today: salvation by grace, justification by faith. Sinner, would you know how to be just before God? Read Romans. Saint, would you be at perfect peace with God? Ponder Romans. The writer of these words became acquainted with God through a study of this epistle. It is emphatically the portion of God's word intended to show us God's present grace. The Evangel for today. Receive it. Believe it. Romans brings us a different message than found in John or the other accounts. While they offered pardon and salvation based on a mixture of faith and works, and were intended for God's chosen people, Paul is entrusted with the good news that, because of Israel's unbelief, God now offers justification and reconciliation to all, by faith alone. Romans deals with three great doctrines: justification, conciliation, and sovereignty. God's own righteousness, which he shares with the sinner, his own peace, which he imparts to the believer, and his own indomitable will, which forms the immovable basis of all blessing, are the bulk and burden of this epistle. Every doctrine in this letter is discussed twice, first from the viewpoint of the individual, and again from the larger national standpoint. As justification is usually degraded to a mere pardon or forgiveness, and conciliation is unknown, and God's sovereignty is denied, there is need to urge you to give the great truths of this epistle the place in your heart and life which they so richly deserve. The Compiler. Published by Concordant Publishing Concern. All rights reserved. Concordant.org.